Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 5 English Plus 1 workbook on page 28. We are on Unit 3, Wildlife, Vocabulary, Animals. So Activity 1, which animal is the odd one out? So given example, we have camel, spider, giraffe, elephant. So maybe spider is an insect as compared to these three mammals. So camel, giraffe, and elephant. So we circle this one. So number 1. So we have fish, whale, gorilla, octopus. So fish, whale, and octopus live in the water. So we choose gorilla. Number 2, we have giraffe, cat, rat, and rabbit. So as you can see here, cat, rat, and rabbit, they are smaller land animal as compared to giraffe. So we have this giraffe here. And then number 3, we have dog, elephant, camel, fish. So obviously fish, it lives in the water compared to these three mammals. So although this is big, and this is smaller land animal, so we circle fish. Number 4, eagle, frog, butterfly, bat. So we have this one, flying animals, eagle or birds. So this one flying, flying, flying. This is not. So we choose frog. And then number 5, we have scorpion, crocodile, rabbit, snake. So basically these three here is reptile compared to this mammal. So we have number 5, rabbit. And then number 6, we have giraffe, panda, bear, ostrich. So we choose ostrich because this is birds, considered as bird, although it cannot fly. So we choose ostrich. So these three here is mammals. So next we move on to activity 2. How many animals can you see? Write sentences with the words. So we have butterfly, crocodile, eagle, elephant, frog, giraffe, ostrich, scorpion, snake. So as you can see, number 1 here, we have there are 2 ostriches, full stop. Then you need to write around 8 sentences here. So before I zoom on this area here, I will give you see clearly the pictures here. So we have eagle here, and then we have elephants, and then we have ostrich, and then we have crocodile, we have butterflies, and then we have scorpion, we have snake here, and then we also have frogs, and then giraffe here, giraffe. So you need to identify how many animals that you can see in this picture. So I will zoom on this area, so I won't let you see again this picture. Maybe you can see yourself. So number 1, so first we calculate how many elephants here. So we have 3. So another one is smaller elephant. So we have these 3 elephants. So you write as there are 3. So 3, you write as THIE rather than the Arabic figure 3. So THREE, elephants. So this is plural. You will need to write as here, elephants, and then followed by full stop. And then number 2, giraffe, so only one, so there is. So for singular now you use is here, so as compared to number one, so there is one giraffe. So giraffe, double F. And number three, we have these crocodiles. So crocodiles, if you calculate cautiously, we will have around 4 here, 4. So we have four crocodiles, so they are 4 crocodiles. So CROCODILE, and then because this is plural, so we have S here. And then number 4, we calculate eagle. So eagle flying in the sky, so we have 2 here, so there are 2 eagles, so we have S here. And then number 5, we calculate butterfly. So butterfly, we have 5 here in total, so there are 5 butterflies. So butter, we have 2 T here, FL, and then Y will be replaced by IES for plural. And then number 6, we calculate snakes. So snake, we have 2 here, 2 snakes, so there are 2 snakes. And then next we calculate frog. So frog, we have 3 here, so there are 3 frogs here. So frogs. So note that sometimes we will confuse 3 with there, so make sure you spell it correctly. So there and 3. And then number 8, we have scorpion. So it looks large in this picture, so there is 1 scorpion. So this is just illusion. Basically it is not a large animal because it's very near you. So for this picture, I mean, so 1 scorpion. So there is 1 scorpion. So remember to use the verb to be correctly. So we have are and is. So next we move on to activity 3. So activity 3, read the clues and write the animals. So we have camel, elephant, giraffe, octopus, panda, scorpion, spider. So guess the animals. So we have panda here. So it lives in China. It's black and white. It eats for more than 12 hours every day. So this is panda. So if you go to National Zoo of Malaysia, we have, if not mistaken, it's just 2 pandas here as of now. So panda. So second paragraph, so it lives in Africa. It's yellow and brown. It's very tall, usually 5 meters or more. So what kind of animal? So we have this giraffe here. So GIRAFFE. And then E. So giraffe. And then the third one, or the second question. So it has got 8 arms. It lives in the water. when it goes to a different place, it sometimes changes color. So we have octopus. So just like you spell October, so this one is a lowercase octopus. So next one, question 3. It often lives in a hot place. It sometimes goes without water for 6 months. So this is larger land animal. We have camel here. And then question number 4, it's small and it usually lives in hot places. It has got a very dangerous tail. So we have scorpion. Next one, it has got very big ears and a long nose. It sometimes lives for 70 years. So very big, meaning it's a big land animal. We have elephant. So ELE. So PH, sometimes PH you pronounce as F, so elephant. So ANT, elephant. And then number 6, it has got 8 legs. It often eats a lot of insects in one day. So we have spider here. The spider. So next, activity 4. Write the animals in the correct place, then use your dictionary to write 10 more animals. So we have bat, bear, eagle, giraffe, gorilla, octopus, whale. So we had big land animals, giraffe. So we go one by one. So for example, for this bat here, bat is considered as flying animals. So we have this bat here. So maybe I try to smaller it a bit. And then bear considered as big land animals. So bear. And then eagle, flying animals or birds. So here we write as birds. Giraffe, cross out already. So gorilla, we have this big animal, big land animal. And then octopus, underwater creatures. And then we have whale. So next, I won't use dictionary. I will share with you some flashcard in color. So animals. So for these big land animals, I will choose rhinoceros. So we have this one, rhinoceros. So rhino. Ceres. So rhinoceros. And then we have hippo here, hippo. So basically it's hippopotamus. So I write in full. So hippopotamus. So this is considered as big land animal. We have this hippopotamus. And then next, underwater creatures. So maybe we have this jellyfish. So jellyfish. So this is jellyfish. Double L. And then fish with no spacing. And then we have another underwater creatures. So this is hippocampus. So don't confuse with hippopotamus just now. So this is hippocampus. So we have hippocampus. And the next one, we have flying animals. So flying, we have these dangerous insects here. So mosquito. So MOSQUITO. So mosquito. And then we have butterfly. So beautiful insects, butterfly. So we have butter, double T, and then fly. So again, butterfly, this is. And then we have this bee here. So bee. So when you eat honey, it reminds you about bee. So this is bee. BEE. And then we have birds here. So special bird. So this is called woodpecker. So woodpecker. And then we have this cute animal, penguin. So penguin. So this is I, penguin. And then we have this pink color animal, flamingo. So this is flamingo. FLAMINGO. Not mango, mingo. Flamingo. FLAMINGO. So that's it for this page. So we have page 28 of English plus one workbook on page 28 just now. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it, you can join it.